Why car gas pedal stopped working while driving. Today, we're tackling a scary but important issue: what to do if your car gas pedal stops working while driving. This can happen suddenly and cause dangerous situations on the road, so knowing the right steps can keep you and your passengers safe. Let's dive in. First things first, if your gas pedal stops working while driving, stay calm and pull over to a safe location immediately. Turn off the engine and check for any visible signs of damage or obstruction. If everything looks normal, try starting the car again to see if the pedal responds. If the gas pedal still doesn't work, it's time to call a tow truck and take your car to a trusted mechanic. A professional will check all components related to acceleration, such as the throttle position sensor, accelerator cable or linkage, the air intake system, and other related components. If the gas pedal still doesn't work, it's time to call a tow truck and take your car to a trusted mechanic. A professional will check all components related to acceleration, such as the throttle position sensor, accelerator cable or linkage, the air intake system, and other related components. Even something like a blocked air intake or vacuum leak in the throttle body can stop your car from accelerating properly. That's why professional inspection is crucial. If your car stops accelerating on the highway, remember, turn on your hazard lights and safely pull over. Don't panic. This is important for your safety and for other drivers around you. Other common causes for a non-responsive gas pedal include malfunctioning electronic throttle control, etc., faulty engine control unit, ECU, broken or worn-out belts and hoses, clogged fuel injectors or dirty air filters. Sometimes, a simple restart can temporarily restore acceleration, but it's always best to get a mechanic to diagnose the problem. So, what can you do if your gas pedal isn't working? Here's a quick checklist. Pull over safely. Turn off the engine and inspect for visible issues. Restart the car to test if the pedal responds. Call roadside assistance if needed. Take your car to a certified mechanic for a full inspection. Remember, never ignore a gas pedal that stops working. It could be a minor issue, or it could signal a major mechanical or electrical failure. Acting quickly can prevent accidents and costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our car troubleshooting guides. And for more detailed steps, check out our full guide in the video description.